Hi everybody, Professor Bruno here. This week's discussion, we are going to deal with ethical dilemmas that police officers face. Police officers are faced with ethical dilemmas on a daily basis. These dilemmas can range from accepting a free cup of coffee from a business owner, to being offered a bribe by a suspect, to throwing out evidence, to obtaining evidence illegally, to not knowing what to do in a situation. In some situations, officers have to make a decision in haste that could affect the rest of their career and personal life. Officers are faced with additional ethical dilemmas, especially when they work undercover or in a special capacity on the police department. It's crucial that officers are educated and reminded about the oath that they took. Police officers have a code of ethics that they agree to uphold when they're sworn in. Most police departments have ethical training, or all have ethical training, but they make sure that they've adopted the code of ethics through the IACP. This organization also encourages ongoing training on ethics and various dilemmas that officers could face. This week, we're going to be discussing ethical issues that police officers face. And in the real world, on the job, you'll be faced with many ethical dilemmas in the criminal justice field, whether you're a police officer or not. But we're going to use police officers as an example this week. How you handle them can make or break a case and/or cause the scales of justice to be imbalanced. For example, if you're a police officer and you know that your partner obtained evidence illegally, what would you do? Do research on ethical issues police officers frequently face. Pick one of the different issues and discuss how you would handle the dilemma if you were in the officer's shoes. Remember to support your thoughts effectively, not just give your opinions. Look forward to your findings. Have a good day.